What's up guys, Invest on the Daily here. So today we're gonna look for a nice new strategy, and this strategy in my opinion is one of the easiest to use with the highest win rate. It's called the Supertrend indicator. Let's dive right in. Well guys, we need two indicators. The indicators that we're gonna use are gonna be the Supertrend indicator from BYBIT. And for the second indicator, we're gonna add the moving average exponential. This one guys, not the divergence one, not the ribbon one, but the moving average exponential. Well, when we get these two together, we're all set up. Well guys, now that we're all set up, I'm gonna explain in a quick way why the Supertrend indicator is so popular with new traders and also experienced traders. The Supertrend indicator will give you a clear sign of entry. A lot of traders, and especially the beginners, are kind of cautious to when to enter a trade. With this indicator, it gives you no doubt when to enter and when to go out of a trade, guys. I really like this indicator. For now, I'm gonna tweak the Supertrend indicator a bit so it will improve our win rate drastically. Let's dive right in. First thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the EMA settings and we're gonna change the length from 9 to 200 guys. That's very important. The second thing that I like to do is make the EMA line a bit thicker guys. So just added a bit more depth to it. So it's more clearly when we see the EMA line. So guys, now I'm gonna explain very quick why this Supertrend indicator is very nice to use. It will clearly indicate to you which trend is currently in process. So are we in a bullish market or are we in a bearish market? It will also give you a nice entry level through a buy signal and give you a very nice signal when to sell. So another nice thing with the Supertrend indicator guys is it gives you the ATR, so the average true range, indicated with the green here and indicated with the red here. So now you're thinking, what's the ATR? I'm gonna explain it. It gives you a clear indicator when to enter a trade based on the volatility of the market. Well guys, now let's dive right into the strategy. It's a quite clear strategy and easy to use. We've got the EMA 200 indicated as the blue thick line. When the candlesticks are above the EMA 200, this means we are in a bullish scenario, indicated like here. We only long when the candlesticks are above the EMA 200. And that also indicates it that's also vice versa. So we only short when the price is beneath the blue EMA line. So for example, in this scenario, we only long guys. So for example, let's see this here right here. So as we see that this plays out, we can see a clear sell indicator right now. But because we're in a bullish scenario, we're not gonna take this trade. We only take the buy signals. Let's wait for a buy signal guys. Alright, what you can see right here is a buy signal. Well guys, I made it a bit more clear. So now we're just waiting on that buy signal because it's above the EMA 200. So what we're seeing right now is that there's a buy signal, but what I always recommend is wait after the next candle close. So we don't enter our trade here, but because it can repaint, we enter on this position. What I do is I do a risk reward of 1.5 guys. So now we take the long position at the close of the candle, and what I do is I always take a risk reward of 1.5 guys. So it's gonna be around here. Always take a previous candle, the close of the previous candle as the stop loss, and move this one above to take a profit at a 1.5. And guys, let's see what plays out. So what we're seeing right now, that's an easy profit guys, and I highly recommend to try and trade this strategy for yourself. Now let's explain a short position. So guys, the short position is exactly the same as the long position, but the only thing is it's vice versa. So the price candles needs to be below the EMA 200 and we need to have a sell signal before we can enter a short position. Let's wait for that to happen. So what we're seeing right now is that the candlesticks are below the EMA 200. So we can take a sell position not on this candle, guys, but on the next candle. So it's going to be this one. And remember what I told you guys, we only take short positions below the EMA 200. This is going to be the candle. This is going to be the stop loss at the previous candle before the sell signal. And we're going to take a risk reward of 1.5. Let's see how this plays out. Nice, we got the profit, guys. We see that we almost got our stop loss hit, but luckily it didn't came through and we are in a nice profit, guys. This is in essence how you take a short position, guys. Well guys, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna back test this strategy on the 5 minutes and I'm gonna show you guys the results of this. Hope you enjoy it. Well guys, the results are in and I hope you enjoyed this video, the explanation of the super trend and of course the back testing. The win rate of this strategy is 54%, guys. You can test it out yourself, but for your convenience, I already tested it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Investment on the daily out.